Mic check. Yun. Share the video, please. Share the video. Share the live. Thank you so much. Yun. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Speaking of a good evening, PSEI. Welcome back to the 7,000 levels. And let me share my screen. Ganang balita to everyone. Ayan po. PSEI closed at 7057.45. That's 1.09% higher than yesterday's closing. 76 points up po si PSEI. Right? Very good. Kaso nga lang, net foreign selling print tayo. Understandable, we're still at resistances level. Nag-break out tayo ng konti, but that is still at resistances level. So it's not really that strong. But, tell you what's strong. Right? Wilcon. Wilcon is now in the index, ladies and gentlemen. And because of that announcement today, Wilcon went up 8.10% kanina. Umabot pa nga yan ng mas malaki pa. Umabot pa ng 12.52% yan within the day. Congratulations sa may mga Wilcon dyan. All-time high. Ladies and gentlemen, this bad boy is still on an uptrend. You know where the uptrend line is. Dyan yung sa bukan. Wag po doon sa taas, right? Let it pull back and bounce. That's the best strategy right here. Globe, 9.51% gains for today. Breakout, my friends. Galing. Congratulations sa mga may Globe dyan. Dito, even 8.56% today. Grabe. Nasakyan nyo ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, badagayan nyo na sa dito diba? Malapit na tayo sa support. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, there is no assurance that it will go back down to support. That's the perfect case scenario, but it doesn't always happen like that, right? And with the move of the markets today, I guess, ladies and gentlemen, we have a reversal signal. And pull back and bounce, that's gonna be your next entry point if ever hindi nyo pa napasok dito. Kung napasok nyo man, congratulations. Galing. Sobrang ganda. More about the market, more about updates sa stock market, more about updates sa paggagawa ng pera. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Please share this video. Pakishare po itong video na ito sa mga friends ninyo, to your relatives, to your trading groups. If you have any trading groups out there, please share this kasi yun yung purpose natin. We want to guide Filipinos, especially yung mga newbies sa stock market journey nila. Mahirap po mag-umpisa sa stock market, and that's the purpose of StockSed, Financial Freedom 101, and the Daily Grind. So please help us with our goal. Please share this video. And, yun. Palitan ko na music kasi napapasigaw ko lagi dun sa background music na yun. Pero intro kasi. Energy dapat Speaking of energy, thank you so much. I want to say thank you because maraming tumulong sa atin, right? The past day, the day before, I told you na I'm looking for sponsors for to create parang Axie management team. So bale, hanap tayo ng mga investors, gusto mag-invest, tapos ayaw yung sakit ng ulo when it comes to crypto, etc. Masakit po ang ulo sa Axie pagsimula. Right, yung mga wallets, etc. But yeah, there are. I wasn't expecting that much na susuporta, but we're overwhelmed. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Kung gusto niyo pa sumabay, yes po, marami pa tayong pwedeng tulungan dyan na gusto magtrabaho, gusto maging scholar sa Axie. So, let me know in the comments. I mean, not in the comments. Message me in Financial Freedom 101 if ever gusto niyo pong mag-sponsor ng team. Sa Axie, kami na po bahala mag-manage dyan. And then, passive income lang sa inyo. Diba? Alan Washalan, magandang gabi, Sir. Earl John Ginto, good evening. Artsy Grams, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Rosario Rosal, magandang gabi rin. Ishi Marimat is here, good evening. Laura Napa, good evening. Junior Aquino, magandang gabi. Alan Gallardo, Sir, pag nag-breakout play or all-time high, saan po mag-exit? On the first sign of weakness, right? If ever breakout play sa inyo, pwede kasing chupit na breakout play. Is it a day trading strategy you are into? Or is it a position trading strategy? Momentum trade? Saan maganda mag-take profits? Let's say for example, ito, si Globe. Let me share the screen. This is a question from Alan. Right. Kaya lang may tumawag Alright. So. Shout out to Dids lang! Alright, Dids lang yung sinabi ko sa inyo na someone who will help you if ever you want to start your own if you want to start your own Axie team, connect with that guy. Teka lang humingi siya ng link na ng Alright, so yeah, anyways, let's continue lang muna. There is a question about breakout strategy. Ano magandang breakout strategy, especially sa all-time high. I just gave the link to Dids lang, hindi pa niya man tinitingnan. But yeah, if ever ganito, breakout, all-time high levels, depende yan the market right now is, I'm not a fan of our market as of the moment. So, mas maganda dito is Chupit. So, depending on your strategy. But, good case lang. Alright, Heartless Dids lang most probably is already watching. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo guys, bad boy when it comes to Axie. Gusto nyo magsimula by yourself. Message Dids lang. Binigay ko na yung link sa inyo dati. Right? You can look for that guy. Dids, if you're watching, mag-comment ka man so that people will know you. Right? Anyways, pag nagawin dito, if all else is very good talaga, if you're a position trader, just buy here. And then, I use Bollinger Bands, right? Let me just load up Bollinger Bands. I mean, yung yung chart ko. Then, let's open Globe. GLO. Right, so here it is, Globe. Right, so this is a breakout strategy right here. We have momentum definitely. And most probably in the next coming days, magpa-play pa yan above Bollinger Bands, right? Your sell signal will be if ever the prices will close inside the Bollinger Bands. Itong Bollinger Bands na ito nasa itong top na blue na ito, right? Pag nag-close na yan sa loob niyan, that is usually your sell signal sa mga gustong chumupit lang, right? Pwede pong ganun. Right? Pwede rin po day trading. If you look at the 1-minute chart of this one right here, yung resistance natin was at grabe. Hindi ko makita. Kasi dahil sa mga linya. Right, where's the line? Where's the line? Right, so not sure bakit ganito itsura ng chart. But this is already the 1-minute chart. There it is. Ascending triangle if ever gusto nyo ng breakout day trade. Right, so that's a breakout right there. That's gonna be your entry point. And pag nag-close na sa loob ng Bollinger Bands or even the MA20, pag na-break yung MA20, usually that's a signal of a trend change. And tingnan nyo, from an uptrend, nag-trend change nga to a sideways trend. The thing is, you don't know what is gonna be happening during that sideways trend. Pwede po yung bumaba, pwede po yung tumaas. So if kung chupit lang naman hanap nyo, right, MA20, sell half here, MA20 on the other half, pwede pong ganun na strategy for chupit. Right? Alright, shout out to Dids. Tawag ko sa iyo at 9 o'clock, man. Let's continue. Tumawag kasi si Dids while during our live. So, pasensya na if na-disturb ba tayo ng konti. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna be calling that man very important person right there. Allen Gallardo. Nabasa na natin to. Gigi Miares, magandang gabi. Leo Abad, sayang nakabili ako ng Wilcon sa 15 pesos. Nabenta ko 17 pesos. Sayang. Let's see kano kasayang. One day, Wilcon. 15 pesos, you sold it at 17. Okay na yun, man. Ang galing na ng trade na yun, ha? Right, from 15, you sold it at 17. That's still very good, right? For Wilcon. Dito tayo dapat. Ay, hindi. Sobrang laki na nawala sa iyo, man. 31 pala sa Wilcon ngayon. Kalimutan ko. So yeah, from 15 to 17, nabenta mo na kaagad lahat. That's okay. Depende kasi sa trading mo yun eh. If you weren't planning to hold it for longer, that's okay. Walang problema yun. The thing is, if ever gumawa kayo ng bagong trade dito, look at this breakout, beautiful breakout right there, and support confirmation. If ever you entered at 18, sobrang ganda ng trades ninyo, man. Congratulations ulit sa mga may Wilcon. Sayang nga yun, Leo Abad. But yeah, wag niyong isipin yon as long as you followed your trading strategy kasi you did the right thing, right? Wala naman kasi makakaalam na aabot ng ganyan yan. So, as long as you followed your trading system, that should be okay. Kasi kung finalo nyo pa, nakita nyo sana yung breakout na yan and you would have been able to win in Wilcon still. Anyway, so sa Lumba, good evening. Mike Eugenio, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Dids lang, nice coach. Salamat po, ayan si Dids. Alright, so deeds lang. Again, if you are planning to start Axie, I told you last week, the reversal of SLP, I told you mukhang magre-reversal na, and we were right? So I started my own Axie right there. If you want to consult someone about Axie, how to start, Dids lang is the person that you need to get in touch with. Good evening sa mga nanonood sa atin dyan sa YouTube. Alright, Alan Washalan, Sir Annie, BSC M-Wide, pa-check. Thanks. Let's check out Annie. Sorry, wrong spelling. Annie. Right, si Annie, nag-support dito si Annie. But the thing is, ito talagang problema kay Annie. The earnings are not that good, especially sa second quarter. So medyo mabigat siya. RSI though is already starting to look up. So that is a good signal for Annie. If you want to trade this one out, strict trade lang, buy the support right there, then cut loss lang below that. Should you want to trade this one? Ayokong i-mid to long term kasi yan. Alan mo siya, Alan. Next is BSC. BSC. Alright. BSC, descending triangle, mukhang okay naman na. Maganda yung mga signals. Pag nag-break out from that descending triangle, that's a signal that this bearish pattern is done. Tapos na yung bearish pattern na yan, and that should be your entry point for BSC. Pwede pong ganun. Next one is M-Wide. M-Wide, bodigahin niyo po si M-Wide. Right, still confirming the supports right there. RSIs are starting to shoot up on that support. So, if you can get into support, that's the best entry point for M-Wide. Okay? Good evening from Andrew Caracas. Good evening, sir. Waiting po sa Izanagi confirmation of my registration. You're welcome, man. Within 24 hours, magko-confirm yan. And then, don't expect lang na magsa-start ka agad yan kasi by batch kasi yung VPS natin. So, once na kompleto yung batch na yan, then good, your Izanagi can start. Don't worry. There's no rush naman. Speaking of Izanagi, kumusta natin yung Izanagi na? Then, it's now at 196% for today. Kahapon was at 193, 3% growth for today. 4% na lang, $200. 200% na tayo. That means we have tripled our investment here. Remind you, this is Izanagi. This account started, this is a public account. This is verified. Right? This started January 18. Now up September, ano na tayo ngayon? October 6. So around 10 months of automated trading. And we're up 200%. That's crazy gains right there. This bot is for free. Learn more about it nasa video description. And registration is also there. This is passive income already. I made sure na hindi ko gagalawin na ito para purely passive income lang po ang lalabas dito. I even made an account na ilalabas dito kasi ayoko ilabas yung amount na nasa loob nito. That's a secret. Yung isa natin, eto pinakita ko sa inyo. What if you started 500 blah blah blah. Teka lang. Let me open my FX book. Let me sign in. Right, triple digit negative for open Izanagi pero sobrang ganda ng opportunity nito sir pag nag-reverse yung market. Bawal nervyoso sa Izanagi talaga. Sabi ni Earl dyan, yes, that's the reason why may drawdown style. It's set up like that. Iba yung trading strategy. Let me just close up. Iba yung trading strategy ni Izanagi. It is really built for low volatility na mga assets, right? Like Forex, right? Ang ginagawa niya kasi is mag-open ng position. Tapos i-draw down yan, open another position, nag-average down yan siya. Kaya may drawdown, may funds tayo for drawdown para hindi ma-close yung mga positions. Kasi once the reversal is hit, boom, lilipad yan. Grabe yan. Ganun po ang style. So bawal po ang nervyoso kay Izanagi. Right? Kasi it's a drawdown style of trading. Hindi yun buy, tas mag-cut loss if mali. Mag-take profits if tama. Hindi po basta-basta ganun yung strategy ni Izanagi. But then again, let me open this Izanagi account. Na-update na natin to. This account is already up 10.1%. Hindi pa na-close yung mga position. But the equity growth is already way up there. Napaka-skyrocket na. Pag nag-close ng position yan, that's gonna be very good. But this account sa Izanagi started August, September, October. So mga less than 2 months pa lang ito, it's already up 10.1%. That's good already, right? 10.1% lang yan kasi half lang ng pro account ko ang tinetrade, right? Kasi naka 50% ang settings nito. But if ever you consider that, na if ever tinrade lang nito ang buong account mo, this would have been 20% already. But then again, this is already a very good gain for this one. May isang account pa tayo na micro na naka-public. This account is already up 46.83. This started July 9. So August, September, October. So this one is 3 months running. If ever 3 months kayo nag-start with this one, 46% na yung gains natin. So passive income trading, if you want to be part of that, I want you to understand it first. Andyan sa video description yung link for the video. Please understand it first before you want to invest in this. Andyan yung registration. Valkyrie is doing good also. Yung Valkyrie naman natin, good news, may update and it is doing better. Medyo negative siya for today. From 9.88 yesterday, 9.66 yung closing niya today. But then again, the bot is very good. Okay? So let's go back to charting. Vince Ariola, good evening Sir Lloyd, pa-check po CLI. Thanks, Cebulan Masters Incorporated. Isa sa mga recommend ko sa inyo noon, has been doing well before. Ngayon, somehow is going sideways. 2.83 yung support natin dito. Bodegahin nyo na to. And then bodega some more at 2.63. I would say this is good for long term, mid to long term yung CLI, parang Wilcon. Pero iba sila. Mas maganda talaga yung Wilcon. But CLI, love the company. I've seen how this company has been doing here in Cebu mismo. So yeah, I trust CLI. Napakaganda ng company na yan. Alright, Paulo David, good evening sir. Pa-check ng Facebook. Thanks. Let's check out FB. Still on a downfall. Downtrend pa rin sa FB overall. Lalo na nung bumagsak ang Facebook service. Look at that gap down. Nagpanic ang mga tao. And that's a drop. That's downtrend right there. So abangan lang natin to. We don't really have clear signals just yet. Mukhang malapit na. But again, wag natin pa muna market anytime soon. Lagyan nyo na, ilistan nyo na to. Pag nag-sideways to, pasukin nyo. I love dips for these kinds of assets talaga. Sobrang ganda ng mga assets na to when it comes to dips. Okay? So, FB, listan nyo na. Even si Google. Right? Tingnan nyo si Google. Also, stabilizing with the greens. Nagsisimula na siyang magpakita ng higher high. So, bodega na to for Google. This is the dip that we're looking for Google. This is already very good. Okay? Bodegahin nyo na po to. Raymond Marquez, sir, good evening po. What's your thoughts on green po? Greenergy. Ganda ng support ng Greenergy di ba? Greenergy is nag-break. Andyan pa yung engulfing Short-term trade. If you want a short-term trade, pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be your entry point. That's gonna be supported by this good support right here. But overall kasi, downtrend siya. I would say, with this kind of market na nasa resistance tayo, abangan nyo lang po mag-breakout na lang muna from the downtrend. That's gonna be the confirmation that you need. Mas maganda kasi may confirmation pag ganito ang market. That's for green. Let it break out lang muna. Andrew Rosario, good evening. Raul Tumale, good evening Sir Lloyd. PHR in green. We covered green already. Let's go to PHR. Alright, PHR. Ito naman, maganda. Alright, already showing signals, man. PHR overall is on a downtrend lang. This is a good signal right here. Nagko-confirm siya ng support. Divergence is right there. Okay bang performance ng PHR? Ito yung nagpabigat sa kanya Look at this. Nung nag-announce siya na negative yung earnings niya, bumagsak si PHR. So, that's something that I really don't want to trade. I don't want to i-trade yan. I don't want to go aggressive on an asset. If the reason why it's dropping is because of poor performance. Okay, so, konting ingat lang po dito. Though, technical analysis speaking, it's a buy, right? So, strict trade lang dyan if ever gusto nyo talaga i-trade yan. Good evening. Nancy Catilo, sir, pa-check ng MAC, MBT, MEG, and Tech, sir. Thanks. Sure. Let's go for Macro Asia. Oh, there it is. Sabi ko sa inyo, bodegahin nyo noon pa, diba? How many days have I told you na bodegahin nyo na si MAC dito? And there it is, nag-breakout na si MAC. So hopefully, nabodega nyo po. Right? If hindi, and this is a missed opportunity right here. Sana mag-breakout, but it's bound to do a pullback anytime soon. So, baka mag-fail yung pullbacks na lang and bounce before you wanna go enter Macro Asia. I've been recommending Macro Asia for quite a while already. Right? Sabi ko sa'yo, bodegahin nyo na yan. That's done for Macro Asia. Sa MBT naman, sa MBT, There is a support right there. That was a go signal for us. And lumilipad din si MBT. It's looking well. Gumagawa na siya ng resistance. Pullback and bounce is going to be a good entry for MBT. Meg and Tech. Mega World din, budigayin nyo na rin to. And Tech. Nagpo-pullback si Mega World. Tech was a buy for us before. Even last night, I told you, okay na si Tech. Maganda yung technical analysis niya. And that was a buy. Was up 3.26 today. That's a good signal right there. There's a spike on the volume. That's a buyer, ladies and gentlemen. Good find for Tech. Against the flow, boss, pakigreet naman si Mrs. ko. Advance happy birthday, Ann Rose. This is from Against the Flow. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Advance happy birthday to Against the Flow. If Nanette Lim is watching this evening, happy birthday to you bukas, right? It's her birthday tomorrow, so advance happy birthday to Nanette also. Alan Wachalan, sir, good timing po ba to buy? Good timing po ba to buy Seb at this time? I would say Seb is already stabilizing. Right? Actually, sinabi natin the few days na okay na to. Good timing po ba ngayon? The best timing will be pullback and bounce for Seb. Engulfing pattern, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo about engulfing patterns. Engulfing pattern right here, pullbacks, and once it creates the support, that's the buy. Hopefully, napanood nyo na po yung Bollinger Band videos ko. One of my favorite setups. That's all. This was the buy area already. Medyo nakalipad siya, 3.62 today. Pullback and bounce will be a very good entry for Seb. Hindi, kakasimula pa lang naman yan. I'm not expecting for it to fly, pero pag lumipad, I would say still okay. Right? This is your major support right here for Seb. That's still okay to buy for me. Ali Puser from Loro Napa. Check out Ali, massive support right here. That's still a buy for me. Kahapon, sinabi natin buy na yun si Ali. It's still a buy. Si Converge naman, grabe si Converge, wala pa rin tigil. Pero there's still opportunity in it in your daily trades. Position trade like my strategy, nope. Right. You might say na palpak yung strategy ko kasi hindi ko to sinasabayan. There are instances na ganyan po. You don't really have to catch everything, right? The problem lang talaga sa trading is if ever may lumipad at sumabay ka and you deviate from your trading system, and that's bad trading, right? You will miss some, but I won't worry because on my trading strategy, I am also winning, right? So Converge is way up there. Pull back. You know where the trend line is, saka nyo pasukin sa trend line muna kay Converge. Or if you're a day trader, kung day trader kayo, marunong kami day trade, pwede po dyan. That's for Johanna City. It's not a buy for me anymore. Jessica Nang, Aba. Uy, Jessica, I'm waiting for your confirmation nga pala. Right? So, just let me know. Aba, let's see if ever we can catch Aba sa supports, okay? Malapit na naman sa support. We'll see if ever we will see a bounce right there as it is breaking MA20 kaagad. So, at least sinasabi ko, market's not that strong. Pag nag-uptrend, ang bilis lang mag-downtrend. May mga iba na mga outliers na lumilipad naman talaga. Especially the very good companies. Ronnie Morillo, Sir, APL now. Tingin niyo po ba, bababa pa? Now Corp, sa tingin ko ba bababa pa? I can't say, man. Engulfing pattern right here, technical analysis speaking, that should be it. That should be the drop already. So mukhang baka mag-stabilize na to and mag-change na ng trend dito for now. Naalala ko pang noon yung bangayan ng communities. Mga Ditonatics at mga Nauranians. Asaran yan sila noon. Right? Kung sinang lumilipad, tapos si dito ang bumabagsak, asaran. Si dito lumilipad, tapos si now ang bumabagsak, asaran. Naalala ko lang. Now, medyo napakaw si now ngayon. So dito, from even 1 pesos, went to 19 pesos. That's crazy. So, mas maraming nanalo doon sa dito. So, nanalo ang Ditonatics. Congratulations pa rin. Anyways, now, sa tingin ko, mukhang stable na yan. But it's too aggressive to say, really. APL support is right here. Pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be a buy for APL. Jose Kaluoy Jr. Good evening. Pacheck naman si M-Wide. M-Wide is a buy for me. Right? That's a buy right there. MPI. So, MPI naman, mukhang okay na. Right, ha? I think this downtrend is already done. Pag nag-break to, that's gonna be your buy, right? From that resistance right there, pag na-break yan ni MPI, that's gonna be a buy signal for you. Good evening, sir. Pa-check si FNI. This is from Rain. FNI, Ferro-Nickel Holdings. Lakas ng bearish patterns. FNI, I am kind of finicky with the position of FNI right now. Overall, it's kind of bearish still. Okay naman tong earnings nila. But, tingnan lang natin. There is a possibility that it will be forming this descending triangle right here. Hopefully, ma-break niya yan. Or if you want to go aggressive kay nickel, if you feel aggressive, support is right there. Diyan yung pasukin sa nickel. Right, that's for Rain. And then PX po. Let's check out Felix Mining Corporation. Also the same. Heavy pa rin yung downtrend kay Felix Mining. Right. Abangan ko lang muna to. Medyo wala pa tayong signals naman for Phoenix. The only signal I can see is this divergence right here. So it might stabilize and create a support right there. That's gonna be your entry point, aggressive entry. Jonathan Almonte, Sir Lloyd, RHA po ba? Hold po or sell na? Nakapag-TP na din po. RRHA. Congratulations, man. Jonathan Almonte. It really nakakataba ng puso na hindi ipit or hindi yung topic natin. Minsan, ang topics natin are take profits. Wala pa tayong take profit levels. Wala pa tayong pula. Right? Again, if you watch Bollinger Band video, pag nag-close yan sa loob ng Bollinger Bands, that's the momentum dying down. That's gonna be your take profit signal. Congratulations, man, with RRHI. Sobrang ganda ng support. Sobrang ganda ng divergence. I've been teaching you this technical analysis for quite a while already. That's a solid support right there. Divergence is beautiful. If ever pinasok niya yan, that would have been a very good gain for you. ASEN from Eric Benipayo. Let's check out ASEN. Let me just transfer the music sa inyo lang. Ayoko makarinig yung music sa ano ko. ASEN is already way up there. It's not a trade for me, right? I will not recommend it. Congratulations sa mga nakasakay dyan. Bebentahan lang kayo if ever gusto niyo humabol dyan. I don't like the position right now. Time check, it's 8:30. Let me go to YouTube then. May mga viewers din tayo sa YouTube. Ian Villaruel, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Vincent Pascual, good evening, sir. Raymond Marquez, good evening then. Josie M, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pwede pa isko. Akala ko isko Moreno. Pwede ba pa scholar? Yeah, I think pwede naman. Send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. Should there be a slot open na mag-scholar? Yeah, we have managers that will be able to handle you. I'll let you know. But send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. Right? Mag-thank you rin tayo sa mga nag-sponsor sa atin. It's still open if ever you wanna join me. If ever gusto niyo mag-AXI or diversify into AXI, pero ayaw niyo yung sakit sa ulo ng crypto, etc. Ako na po bahala. Send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. We will be partnering up. I'll let you know the deal. But sobrang ganda, nagustuhan ng mga investors, and we were able to get secret. Pero yeah, and that's the reason why tumawag si Dids kanina, kasi we're already assembling the teams. Vincent Pascual, thoughts on Monday? Ay, hindi, wala. Josie M, MY din po. We covered MY already. Okay na ba ang current price or wait for support around 6? You just buy it already, and then if ever bumaba talaga at bigyan kayo ng support na position, you just buy some more. Hafa Aday, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pag-greet sa wife ko, si Nene. Good evening, Nene and Hafa. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Please check green. We covered green already. Ano nga ba yung verdict natin kay green? Pa-break muna natin yung resistance niya. Vita, eto si Vita, hindi ko to nakakamusta, matagal-tagal na to. It's sitting at support. That's good to know. Right? Support for the Vita is right here. Right? And then downtrend line is right there. If this breaks out, that's gonna be your entry point for Vita. FNI, covered that already. Also PHA. You're welcome, man. Vincent Pascual, thoughts on Monday and SMPH. Thank you so much. Let's check out Monday. Right, Monday, nag-break na MA20, so that's usually a signal na nag-change yung trend niya. Look at this right here. When it broke, nag-sideways. When it broke, we're already seeing lower highs, so it's already at a point na it's kind of unpredictable already, and I don't want to trade that one. So stay away from it. This is, next naman, si SMPH, one of my favorite stocks out there. SMPH, sideways, there are circles right here, meaning I indicated buy already for SMPH right there. So hopefully pinasok nyo noon. May strong resistance tayo dito for SMPH. That's gonna be your next entry pag nag-breakout sa SMPH. Next one is Asian Night. Is SFI a buy po? Swift Foods Incorporated. Is it a buy? It's gonna be very hard to tell, man. Mukhang downtrend pa eh. There is a support right here, but overall it's on a downtrend. I want more data. Pag ganito kasi namang hindi clear yung data, I really don't want to call it. I'd rather stay away from it. Good evening, Jayco7. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pacheck naman po si RCI. Nag-open ako ng sell position. Sell position for RCI? Naka-short sell na ba? Or baka buy position yung sinabi mo? If you got a buy position, man, that's beautiful. Engulfing right here. That's a win right there, man. If ever mag-break pa ito ng ng downtrend line niya, that's gonna be even better. Aurora, Cabao, hello, good evening, sir. Nickel po, pataas na po ba? For nickel, we covered nickel earlier. Still on a downtrend. So, hindi pa natin alam for sure. Okay? Stay away from it for now. Next one is Ryan Rahon. Good evening, sir. For DMC, take profits na ba or wait for it to close inside the band? Right. Overbought na po kasi. Right. Those are sell signals already for DMC. Still overbought pero still outside the Bollinger Bands. Initial sell signal natin dito is if ever it closes inside the Bollinger Band, that's momentum already dying down. And next up is MA20 na yung support natin. If ever it breaks MA20, you sell everything for DMC. Okay? Good job, man. Congratulations. Jayco RCL po. Let's check out RCL. Alright, RCL, Royal Caribbean. Nagre-resistance, my friend. Ganda ng ano dito. Ganda ng uptrend line. Those were the best entry points. And this breakout right there, beautiful. We're reaching resistance levels kasi lakas ng resistance dito. Dalawa pa yan andyan. So, it's not a buy for me anymore. Nakalipad na po yan. Right? Sir Lloyd, thanks again. You're welcome. Ryan, you're welcome, man. Mukhang magsa-sideways. If you can enter 360, that's gonna be a good entry for Okay? Let's go back to Facebook. Sino pa yung last na nabasa ko? Jonathan Almonte, RHI. Nabasa natin to. ASEN is already read. Louis Bernante, Globe, IMI, ASEN, and SFI. Sorry. Si Globe, way up there. Stay away from it. It's not an entry for me. Globe is out of my trading system. It can still go up if ever there's an opportunity for it in day trading, but I will not be buying it, man. Globe, next kay Globe is asa nga ba yun? IMI. Let's check out IMI. Right, IMI. Ooh, galing. Right, so told you yesterday, kung mag-breakout yan, ng downtrend niya, that's gonna be your entry point. And nag-breakout nga. And hopefully nakapasok kayo. It's up 6.19% already. So nakalipad yan. Starting to do a pullback. So next bounce actually yung entry natin dyan. Good find on IMI. We covered that yesterday. ASEN is way up there. Stay away from it. It can still go up, but our trading system just says no. So okay, may engage dyan. SFI, we covered SFI already. Helen Grace, PH, LTG, DNL3. Si LTG, nag-uptrend na to eh. Nag-reversal na to eh. LTG, kaso nga lang, humina rin kaagad. So, somehow, we have MA20. Pag nag-bounce yan MA20, then that's gonna be your entry point, and then cut loss below MA20 lang for LTG. DNL, si DNL naman, there it is, beautiful. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo, engulfing pattern, and pull back, and once it creates a support, that's gonna be your entry point. That's already a buy kanina sa DNL. That's our LTG. Eric Benipayo, thank you, Sir Lloyd. God bless. God bless you too, man. Emery Eat. Kamusta na si Emery Eat? Ang ganda pa rin ni Emery Eat eh. even A-REIT, grabe. So it's doing a pullback right now. There's no technical analysis available as of the moment. At this point, I really look at this as dividend investing kasi, right? Depende sa dividend ko, is it worth it to buy it at 17.48%? If not, if I'm just gonna be getting 3%, 3.5%, then it's not worth it. I will not be buying this. Always look at the dividends whenever you want to enter REITs. It's not really for trading. Paulo David, baliktad kasi si MREIT yung REITs. Yung capital gains niya is, you consider it as bonus na lang. Okay? Please consider the dividends first. Paulo David, nickel. We covered nickel already. Mukhang pababa pa sa nickel. So, let it break out from this downtrend line lang muna. Sir kay PHA po, bought at 0.90, about to cut loss. Thank you po. Right, 0.90, yeah. Mukhang you will have to cut loss, man. There's momentum on the downside for PHA. So, konti ingat, man. Next kay PHA is ASEX. Right, ACEX. Right, ACE and Nexor. Oh, galing. Right, pullback bounce before you want to enter ASEX. Helen Grace, thanks Sir Lloyd. You're welcome po. Okay, let's go to YouTube. And thank you so much, sir, from Ryan Rohon. You're welcome. Frederick Andulan dito. Eto, sa dito. Congratulations sa mga may dito. Nagbodega kay dito. Pullback and bounce is gonna be your entry point for dito as it just broke the downtrend line. Congratulations sa mga may dito. Ned Joseph, good evening, sir. Insights kay PCOR. Please, let's check out PCOR. Petron Corporation. Doing a pullback. Patuloy natin yung pullback and then entry natin. This is a major support right here. Pero yung pullback and bounce is gonna be your entry point. Alright, so I just wanna take this time. Well, I'm waiting for more comments to say na again, I wanna invite everyone to join us in Izanagi. This is bot trading, si Izanagi. Bot trading means it is the bot or algorithm or program that is already trading for us. So everything right now, ito nakikita ninyo, 196% is passive income already, right? Wala akong ginagawa dito na trade. It is the bot that is trading for me. So kahit tulog ako, the bot is trading and it's gaining 200% already. But don't let this fool you. Huwag kayo mag-greedy dyan. Tignan nyo rin po ang drawdown. 42%. So meaning, at a certain point, bumagsak ang account ko ng 42%. Okay, if ever kaya nyo po yan for this kind of gain, 42% for a 200% gain in a year, then Izanagi is a good bot for you. Learn more about it and just video description. Spend time in watching that video. Nag-backtest din tayo dyan. We invested in backtesting, meaning yung current program, yung current algorithm, buy and sell, we tested it in the previous market data. Automated pa rin with the previous market data and it was doing well. Check out that video para ma-convince kayo dito. And registration is also there. And if you want to partner up with me, if you want to help me, help more people then, pwede tayong magpa-scholar. If you want to diversify into NFTs and Axie, sayang kasi opportunity ni Axie ngayon kasi SLPs are on is at the all-time low, SLP USDT. And it's at a reversal level. We're already seeing higher highs right there. And pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be another higher low. So sayang yung opportunity sa Axie. But masakit sa ulong Axie, yung SLP kasi you can mine it through playing the game. If ever you don't really have that time, we can give that opportunity sa mga nangangailangan ng trabaho. I'll be the one to look for them and manage them. Tapos magpa-profit share na lang tayo with the person working for you, and then profits and then you are going to be getting something out of it also. It's a very good opportunity right now, especially that as Axies are very cheap as of this moment. So if you want to partner up, send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. We already have quite a few that has partnered with us already. Binibili after this live. Tatapusin ko pa, bilhin ko pa yung lahat ng mga Axies na mga nag-partner sa atin. And then, if you want to join me, send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. Alright, Nanette Meal. Seb, is it accumulation na ba and PNB? Seb, kamusta Nanette? Advance happy birthday. Seb. Right, Seb is accumulation. Yes, definitely. Especially pag nag-pull back and bounce, that's gonna be your entry point for Seb. PNB. PNB, massive support right here. Pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be your entry point. It's important to note that the last time na nag-support siya, umakyat to its resistance levels. So, the trend is sideways. Hindi siya bearish. So, entry point is right there. Accumulation. Good find. Ryan Rahon, thank you sir pala sa Dito Insight. Sir, was able to buy some at 7.14. Congratulations, man. 7.14 right here. Galing ha. That's a good entry right there. Right? We did tell you na simulan nyo ng bodega dito. Pag nag-bounce, there it is. Ito yung sinasabi ko, you can't really expect for the price to go back down to 6.63. This is best case scenario. Swerte nyo kung bumaba dyan. But the thing is, what if mangyari ito? 8.56 within the day. Kung hindi nyo binodega, dito pa lang, hindi kayo makakasakay. Right? So, the best strategy during that point was buy some. If ever goes further down, then you buy some more. Right? When you're trading, I want to tell you this. This is one of my lessons talaga. You have to be in a position where advantageous sa inyo sa lahat ng mga what ifs. What if bumaba pa? Then you can buy more. Diba? Pero kung hindi kayo pumasok, the what if lumipad? Right? So you're in a bad position kasi naiwan na kayo. Pero kung bumili kayo ng some, what if umakyat, then okay lang kasi nakapasok na kayo and then you're just gonna be buying more in the pullback and bounce. Diba? So whatever what ifs, kahit anong what ifs mangyari sa trading, your trading system should put you in a not bad position. Okay? So, yun. Moving forward. Good PM, sir. SPC, this is from Mark Garcia. Pascaller from Jongi Malda. Send me a message, man. Send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. If we have a team available, if may mag-sponsor and then available pa for someone and we're looking for one, yeah. Why not, right? Send me a message, John G. Malda. Mark Garcia, SPC. Let's check out SPC. SPC, Power Corporation, way up there. We're at the no-buy zone. Bearish signals, so it's not a buy. Stay away from it. Tahan-tahan PJ. Helen Grace PH is asking about MPI. Hindi pa ba natin na-cover sa MPI? Let's just go through it once again. Yan. Downtrend pa. If it breaks from that downtrend, that's gonna be your entry point for MPI. Hi sir, should I TP sa BTC? Follow the bid. Should you TP sa Bitcoin? Sorry, BTC USD. Tingnan ko nga ulit yung chart. Yan. Now hitting resistance. Congratulations nga pala. Did tell you guys, bilhin nyo at around 40,000 at this level. Buy na si Bitcoin because that was the stabilization. You just buy on the stabilization. Wala pa tayong signal of sell-off, man. Pag pumula yan, that means the resistance is heavy. So that is gonna be your target profit for Bitcoin. But congratulations sa mga may BTC. Alright, Janji, dapat scholar, nabasa na natin to. Alright, we've read everything sa Facebook. Let's go back to YouTube. Let's see if ever. I'm just gonna be cleaning up. We should be finished in a while. Marami pa akong gagawin. Actually, hindi pa ako naghahapunan. Tapos kailangan ko pambilhin yung mga axes para as soon as possible mag-generate na ng pera. Ash, baby, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Thoughts on GMA7? Let's check out GMA7. Right. Mellow 101, thank you so much for the teaching. Happy to help, man. GMA7 supports right here, or MA20, that's gonna be your entry point for GMA7 should you still wanna ride it, right? At least man, may maganda kayong position. Just in case mali at mag-reversal yan, meron kayong support at maliit lang ang losses niyo. But yeah, GMA7 is looking well. So considering the fundamentals, it's gonna be makukuha niya lahat ng revenue. Dati kasi hati, GMA is earning from elections, advertisements, but the huge chunk goes to ABS-CBN. Ngayon walang ABS-CBN. Makukuha ni GMA7 yan lahat. Fundamentally speaking, this should still go up. So at least get in at the MA20s or that support right there if you want to get into GMA7. Okay? Let me go back. Basa na natin lahat. I think we're able to answer everyone. Yan. So we're able to answer everyone's question. Once again, Izanagi and Valkyrie bots have been doing well. Nakita niyo naman dito. This is already up 46.83. Nakakasimula lang nito ng July 9. This one is Valkyrie. May premium itong bot nito. This one is not for free. Si Valkyrie, si Izanagi is for free. Pero sobrang ganda ng trade nito. Look at this. 77% win rate on the long position, 72% win rate on the short positions. So, ganda ng win rate ng bot nito. So, that's why it's premium. Para sa mga lesser risk na appetite. But here is the most beautiful one. 200% gains already with a 42% drawdown. Malaki yung drawdown, and you won't get this kind of result. It's gonna be very hard if not for this drawdown. So if you can afford this kind of risk, this bot is for free, up to 100% in just 10 months. Check out Izanagi. Disclaimer lang, previous performance does not indicate future performance. We cannot assure you another 200% in the next 10 months, okay? So, but this is passive income, and it's already very good. We've tested it already, myself personally, and we've back tested it. What else can you ask for a bot? Libre. Hanapin pa. So hopefully you check this one out. And offer still good for sa mga gustong makipag-partner sa akin with Axie. Kami nang bahala sa lahat ng sakit ng ulo. Passive income na lang diretso sa inyo. Right? Yung income na lang profit sharing diretso. Right? So send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. That's it for me this evening. May na-miss pa ba ako? Right, okay na. Great. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow for more teachings and more learnings and updates sa market. And yeah, good news nga pala. Isa sa reason why umakyat si markets is we're officially, right, we just registered one of the low count of COVID positive cases, which is at around 9,000. Marami pa rin, pero that's good news, right? So yung risk level natin is getting lower. That should stimulate the economy. That should stimulate investors to get in, and hopefully umakyat yung market natin. But yeah, thanks to everyone who's still staying safe. And I will always say, stay safe. Huwag pa rin kumumpiyansa sa paglabas, etc. So please do stay safe, and let's get rich together. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow.